Hey guys, welcome back. Rob from myppctraining.com. Today's video, I just wanted to touch on a question that I keep hearing over and over again is what is average position and how does it work? So we're logged into our AdWords campaign. As you can see here, we have our campaign and we have to actually add average position into the columns up here. So we have to go into columns, modify columns, performance. Where are you? Average position. We're going to move that up right here. We're going to hit apply to save that column. And now you'll see here our average position. So it's Google's telling us our average position is 1.5. So out of all of these keywords, so if you go into the campaign and we look at our keywords, out of all these keywords we're bidding on, they all have different average positions, okay? 1.6, 1.5, 1.3, 2.0. So the average of all of these positions is what our campaign average is for AdWords. So let me go back out to the campaign level and we'll hover over how it's calculated. So if you hover over it here, it gives you a little description. Average position helps describe how your ad rank compares with other ads. So there's 8 total ads on Google's page 1. Our average position is 1.5. Anything 5 or above is on the bottom of Google's first page, which might as well be in Siberia or on page 197. Doesn't really matter. So average position helps describe how your ad rank compares with other ads. For more information on how your ad rank compares with other advertisers, check out Auction Insights Report. And if you don't know what Auction Insights Reporting is, I made a video about that, so you can go to our channel and watch that. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Average position, all of your keyword positions average together at the campaign level, and that's what you're seeing here, which is 1.5 out of 8. Okay? If you guys have any questions about average position, drop them in the comments below this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We're dropping content daily now. It's very important that we get as many subscribers as possible because we have a lot of content coming out. All right, check out the links in the description. I put a free guide in there for you as well on how to optimize your AdWords campaigns and turn around syncing campaigns. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video.